Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Alright guys, let's get right into it guys. In this video, I'm going to give you guys a quick Bitcoin update, a quick XRP and XLM update, and I'm going to go over the Solana price prediction and the Avalanche Avax price prediction guys. Alright guys, let's start off by looking at the bubbles, crypto bubbles. Looks like it's a green day. Most of the bubbles are in the green. There are a few red out there, but most of them in the green. The biggest gainers for the day is OM. It's up 47.3% for the day. Then we got H-bar making a move. It's up 33.4% for the day. Then we got Crow, 10.5% for the day. Watch out for Crow. It's making a move. We got Solana, SOL. It's up 9.7% for the day. And yeah, guys, looks like there's a lot of volatility in the market. I'm sure you guys have noticed. There's a lot of meme coins mooning, and there's a lot of like other altcoins just popping off, out of nowhere. Like unknown altcoins are popping off. So yeah, just keep an eye out there for for your favorite cryptocurrency. If you don't see it mooning yet, don't sell out of your favorite cryptocurrency, guys, because if it's not mooning right now, it just means it's not its turn, guys. It will moon eventually, guys. Like 90% of the altcoins are going to moon, guys. And hopefully, you're holding one of those 90%. When you pick a coin, just make sure it's a good coin, have conviction in it. Make sure it's a solid project. Make sure they list who the founders are. What it's about. Make sure it doesn't have too many token unlocks coming. In the near future. Make sure it's not a rug pull. Make sure it's got a lot of liquidity in it. Make sure it's got a community behind it. That way you don't get a rug pull, guys. But if you stick to the like top 100 coins, I don't believe any of the top 100 coins are gonna get rug pull, guys. So it's always a good bet to stay in the top 100. But if you're looking for microcaps, guys, there's a lot of good microcaps out there too. Just be careful out there. Most of the low market cap and microcaps, like in Coinbase and Kraken, and like Binance. Those credible exchanges are they're probably not gonna get rug pull. Now if you're messing around in dexes and stuff, just be careful out there because a lot of meme coins do move from there, but there could be a couple rug pulls there too. So just be careful. All right, guys. Let's get into the Bitcoin update. Current price of Bitcoin is 90,554 at the time of recording right now. Looks like we've just been going sideways between like 92,000 and like 86,000 since November 14 after November 13 when Bitcoin made the current all-time high at 93,494. It's just been going sideways, consolidating, guys. But don't be fooled. It's trying to bore people. Don't get bored or fall asleep on Bitcoin because Bitcoin's just getting ready to make its next move up. It's ready for the next leg up pretty soon, guys. I do see Bitcoin either by Monday or Tuesday definitely making a move up and start going up to higher prices. Like I said in my previous videos, my next target for Bitcoin is 94,000. It's got to break through 94,000. Looks like that's where the next price target is. It hasn't been able to break it yet. It's building a lot of resistance up here, at 93,495. But it's going to be breaking it soon, guys. Do not doubt that at all. And once it breaks through 94,000, my next price target after that is 98,000, guys. So stay vigilant. And once 94,000 gets broken, it should go up to 98,000 shortly also, guys. But don't get bearish on Bitcoin, guys. I don't see it going under like 85,000 really. I might dip real quick to 85 before it goes to the next leg up, just to like shake people out, get the weekends out, get everybody fearful. But I don't see it really going below 85,000 anymore. We are in the parabolic bull run, guys. And it's not a time to get bearish. It's not a good time to be shorting Bitcoin right now because it's getting ready for the next move up, guys. So definitely remain bullish on Bitcoin. And if have you guys seen my previous videos, guys? If you guys want like more extensive analysis on Bitcoin, check out my Bitcoin price prediction video. I go more into depth analysis in there. But just to summarize it, guys, I do think Bitcoin's gonna keep rallying all the way up into like November 29, basically after Thanksgiving. Sometime after Thanksgiving, maybe from November 29 to November to December 2. So sometime between November 29 and December 2, I do see Bitcoin topping off, making a local top between 100,000 and 120,000. But it might be even be higher than that, guys. I mean, I think Bitcoin's gonna run hard this cycle, guys. But I'm just staying conservative. I do see Bitcoin making a local top between 100,000 and 120,000 sometime between November 29 and December 2, guys. So definitely at that time, it's going to make a local top, and then it's going to have a correction. It's going to have like somewhere between a 20 to 30% correction, guys. So let's just say if Bitcoin is around 120,000 when it makes its local top, sometime between November 29 and December 2nd, then it's going to have a 30% correction would be right around like $90,000, guys, right around there, give or take a few $1,000s. So yeah, look out for that, guys. But right now, guys, don't get bearish on it. Right now is the time to be bullish on it. The chart is looking bullish. The trend is up. Nothing but higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So we gotta trade with the trend because the trend is your friend until the end, guys. So yeah, look out for a Bitcoin local top around 100,000 to 120K between November 29 and December 2nd. If you want to know how I got to that conclusion, check out my Bitcoin price prediction or my previous Bitcoin updates. I go more into extensive analysis there, guys. Now let's go right into XRP, guys. Quick update on XRP. Again, if you want extensive analysis on XRP, check out my previous XRP XLM analysis. I go more in depth in that. But just a quick update, guys. Like I said in my previous video, I do believe XRP is gonna rally until November 24, give or take a few days, and it's gonna rally all the way up to into $1.50, somewhere between $1.50 and $1.60. XRP is gonna rally. And it's gonna make a local top right around November 24, maybe a few days after that, but right around November 24, I do expect XRP to continue rallying, and then it's gonna make a local top, and then it's gonna have a good size correction. Once it makes a local top, once it reaches like about $1.50 or $1.60, right around there. It could be a little bit higher, but basically not for sure. It's gonna make $1.50 before it corrects, guys. And I don't see XRP going below $1. I think that's basically the base for right now. It's just going to keep going sideways, maybe another day or two or three, and until it consolidates and goes into the next leg up, and it's going to break $1.50. And it could go as high as $1.60 or a little bit higher, guys. But definitely for sure it's going to break $1.50, guys. Sometime in November 24. Trading day already is November 18, so just basically a week. So sometime within a week, around a week, XRP is gonna break $1.50, and then consolidate a little bit, and then it's gonna have a correction, guys. It's gonna have a good size correction. Last time it had like a major correction, like a 70% correction on the 2020-2021 cycle, but that was I think because of the XRP, because of the Ripple and SEC case. But this time, since Donald Trump's gonna take office and Gary Gensler is gonna, quit or get fired or something like that, I do see a new SEC chair coming in when Donald Trump is elected. So that's why I don't think XRP is gonna have like a 70% correction once it gets to like $1.50 plus in November 24. I do see it like Bitcoin is probably gonna have like a 30%, maybe 50% correction. Just to shake people out, but don't get fooled. It's just going to correct. It'd be a good time to buy the dip and get ready for the next leg up, guys. So that's a quick update on XRP, guys. Just to summarize, it's going to rally into sometime around November 24, and I do see it rallying all the way up to $1.50, $1.60, maybe even a little bit more, but for sure it's going to rally all the way up to $1.50. Going to make a local top on November 24, and then it's going to start correcting from there, guys. Now right into XLM, guys, quick update. these are all channel favorites: Bitcoin, XRP, XLM. So we gotta always do a quick update on them, guys. Same thing. As I've been saying on my previous videos, guys, I do see XLM rallying, up to like, somewhere between 27 cents and 30 cents before it corrects, and it's going to rally all the way up to like November 25, always a day after. XLM is always a day behind XRP. So once you see XRP topping off, shortly afterwards, expect XLM to top off. So that's why I'm targeting around November 25, give or take a few days, for XLM to top off, make a local top. I do see a local top coming in November 25, give or take a few days, and the price range is going to be around 27 cents to 30 cents. Being conservative, it might even be a little bit higher than that, but for sure 27 cents. It will reach 27 cents before it starts correcting, guys. And then XLM, probably do like a nice 20 to 30% correction once it makes a local top around November 25th. It'll correct around like 20 to 30%, whatever the price is when it makes its local top. But it should reach somewhere between 27 cents and 30 cents at least, guys. So yep, quick update on XRP and XLM. Now I want to get into Solana. Solana right now, current price as we speak right now is $243.33. It's almost going to break its current all-time high of $250. Before I get into the price prediction, I want to read this real quick by VanEck. This post here is by VanEck, Matthew Sigel. I'm going to read it real quick. It says, I think the odds are overwhelming high that there will be a Solana ETF trading by the end of next year, guys. So he's definitely bullish. If you don't know, Matthew Sigel is VanEck's lead manager of digital assets. So he gets to put I think he already he's trying to get his Solana ETF for his company. He's just waiting for the SEC to approve it. But let's see what it says here. It says, the SEC was sued like a deadbeat parent that did not pay their child support would be sued in court. He said of the Grayscale case. It was Gary Gensler's SEC that broke with long-standing tradition with their rules-guided process and regulated through enforcement. Going back to the usual disclosure-based system would create scope for more innovation in this space. This was likely to translate into more digital asset ETFs, Sigel believed. We would expect the SEC to approve more crypto products than they have in the past 4 years. He said, I think the odds are overwhelmingly high that there will be a Solana ETF trading by the end of the next year, guys. So he's expecting Solana ETF by the end of 2025. And the end of 2025 is basically going to be the end of the bull run. I do expect Bitcoin to top off right around September of 2025, give or take a few months. And once Bitcoin tops off, that's pretty much the end of the bull run, guys. But I think Solana is going to be very bullish, guys. A lot of people have already applied for the Solana ETF. So I think sometime next year, I don't even think it's going to be till the end of 2025. I think it'll be probably like in the first quarter of 2025 when Solana ETF is going to get approved. And that's going to send Solana price skyrocketing, guys. It's going to moon hard, guys. I do see Solana mooning hard. I mean, it's one of the most popular cryptocurrencies out there. I mean, it's right behind Ethereum. So basically, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Avalanche, XRP, XLM. I think these are going to be cryptos that are going to be around for a long time. They're going to be staple cryptos. And don't doubt these 5 cryptos, guys, because they're going to be juggernauts in the crypto world. They're like the next Amazon, Microsoft, MicroStrategies of the world, guys. They're going to be big players in the cryptocurrency, guys. Now let's get into the Solana price prediction, guys. I do see it moving hard. Look at this. It was consolidating all of August, September, October. November 1st, U.S. presidential elections came in. started mooning, and it's basically getting close to its all-time high of 250. It got as high as like 245. Right now it's 243. So I expect Solana, to once Bitcoin starts rallying again, I do expect Solana to break its all-time high, and it could happen like by tomorrow or the next day actually. Because it's very popular, and a lot of people are it's got a lot of volume on it. A lot of people are investing in Solana's, guys, and it's got a lot of meme coin phrasing. Solana's got the most meme coins out there. Don't miss out on the Solana ecosystem too, guys. Don't miss out on like a Bonk, Popcat, Whiff, all the Solana meme coins out there, guys. It's got a lot of meme coins out there. So definitely, once Solana starts mooning, the Solana meme coins are gonna moon harder. They already have been mooning, but they're gonna even moon harder when Solana breaks its all-time high. So how high do I think Solana could go? My bearish case scenario, guys, I do believe Solana could at least hit like $500. That's just like bearish case scenario, guys. Like that's just if for some weird reason the Bitcoin bull run cycle gets cut short, like something like a black swan, or like a major war breaks out, and kills the internet or something. I expect it to at least get to $500. But my realistic case scenario is right around like $1,000 to $1,200. I do see Solana hitting $1,000 to $1,200 for sure. This bull run cycle, guys, that's like pretty doable in my book, guys. Again, this is what I think, guys. Don't buy or sell any coin because I say so or because anybody says so. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research and only invest in the markets what you're willing to lose, guys. But yeah, guys, I do see Solana getting to at least $1,000 to $1,200, guys. And my extra bullish case scenario, like let's just say, Bitcoin, hits 250K or above. We have like a massive bull run, BlackRock, RFK, Donald Trump, all these rich people invest a lot of money into Bitcoin and altcoins. If Bitcoin gets to 250K or above, then I do see Solana hitting around $1,500, guys. So that's my extra bullish case scenario if for Solana. So Solana will hit $1,500 if Bitcoin hits 250K or above, guys. But again, just to summarize, my bearish case scenario for Solana is at least $500. It's just gonna at least double its previous all-time high, and that's like almost guaranteed. That's just like a bearish case scenario in case the Bitcoin bull run gets cut short for like some crazy weird reason. But my realistic price prediction for Solana is somewhere between $1,000 and $1,200. That's where I'm gonna be taking profits. Once I see it getting close to $1,000, I'll be taking profits somewhere between $1,000 and $1,200. But I must save some of my coins just in case Bitcoin hits 250K or above, and to see if I could hit that price target of $1,500. Then I'll sell the rest of my Solana once it hits $1,500, guys. So those are my price targets for Solana, guys. Now into Avax, Avalanche, guys. Another one of the channel's favorites. I love Avax. I love Bitcoin, XRP, XLM, Solana, Avalanche. Those are my top 5 favorite big caps. I do love also low market cap coins, but those are my top 5 for big market cap coins, guys. You can't fade Avalanche as well, guys. Do not sleep on Avalanche. It hasn't really started mooning yet. It's still a good time to get into Avalanche. I think Avalanche still has a lot of upside potential. We did get as high as $37.71 just a few days ago. Current price is $35.59. The current all-time high was made in March 18 at $65, guys. So it's about 50% away from its current all-time high. So there's definitely a lot of upside potential for Avalanche. If you have some dry powder on the side and you don't know which coin to invest, if you want to take a more like a secure route and invest into a big cap instead of a low market cap coin, I recommend Avalanche because I do see a lot of upside to it. You can't fade Avax. It's got a lot of big hitters behind it. JP Morgan has a private blockchain on it. It's called Onyx Coin, not to be confused with XCN, which is a Ethereum Layer 2 DeFi project, which is also called Onyx Coin, which is also one of my favorite picks for a low market cap. But yeah, I mean, Avalanche is a gaming coin. It's got Off the Grid, which is the number one crypto, which is the number one Web3 game out there, guys. It's got like millions of players on there. Yeah, it's a pretty cool game. You guys should play it. If you guys haven't played it, you can play Off the Grid for free at the online Epic Online Store. So definitely you can play it on PC for free, guys. Check it out if you haven't played it. If you like Call of Duty. Those it's like a shooter game. If you like those type of games, you'll love Off the Grid, and you could you can make money off it because as you play the game for free, and it's fun. You'll gain NFTs, and then you could sell those NFTs. You'll gain like gun NFTs, suit NFTs, those kind of NFTs, and then you could sell it in the NFT marketplace that they'll have right there on Off the Grid, guys. So you can make money by playing the game, guys. So yeah, Avalanche, they're also into real world assets. I mean, the California DMV already has all of the California vehicle titles on the Avalanche blockchain. So I mean, it's very bullish, guys. I mean, how long until other state DMVs follow the California DMV and put their titles in the Avalanche blockchain, guys? So I definitely see Avalanche as one of the chosen ones. Ethereum, Avalanche, Solana, XRP, XLM. I see them as the 5 chosen blockchains that are going to be around for a long time, guys. So don't sleep on them, guys. Definitely don't miss out on Avalanche, guys, or the Avax ecosystem. Don't miss out on the Cock Inu, that crazy little chicken. I think it's going to run hard as soon as Avalanche starts, breaking its current all-time high. All the Avalanche meme coins like Core GAI, the COQ, they're going to run hard too, guys. So don't miss out on the Avalanche ecosystem. There's also like Beam, it's also another gaming coin. There's Shrapnel. I mean, there's a lot of good plays on the Avalanche ecosystem, guys. So definitely look into it, guys. Now into the price prediction for Avalanche, guys. Like a bearish case scenario. I always like to give a bearish case scenario because you never know. Bearish case scenario would be at least $300, guys. That would be like double its all-time high. The current all-time high was made in November 2021. I think it was 140 something dollars, like 144, $146, somewhere around there. So let's just call it 150. So at least see Avax, doubling that. So that's why my bearish case scenario for Avalanche for Avax is $300, guys. That's almost guaranteed, guys, but nothing is guaranteed. But that's my bearish case scenario, guys. Is at least $300. And then my realistic case scenario is right around like $600 to $700. I do think it could hit somewhere between $600 to $700, guys, because it's very popular. It's got a lot of heavy hitters behind it. It's being mass adopted. It's a gaming coin. It's a real world asset coin. You name it. It's gonna be basically one of the blockchains that makes it, guys. And now my ultra bullish case scenario, in case Bitcoin has a 250K or above price, in case we get that massive bull run everybody's expecting, then I do see Avalanche getting to at least $1,000, guys. That would be my ultra bullish case scenario for Avalanche if Bitcoin got to at least 250K or above, guys. So yeah, guys, just to summarize, my bearish case scenario for Avalanche is at least $300. That's like almost guaranteed, guys. But again, nothing is guaranteed. Do your own research. And my realistic case scenario price prediction for Avalanche, Avax, is somewhere between $600 to $700. And my ultra bullish case scenario, if Bitcoin hits 250K or above, is $1,000 for Avalanche, guys. So yeah, keep an eye on Avalanche. Keep an eye on the Avalanche ecosystem, guys. They're gonna run hard this cycle, guys. So definitely keep it in your radar, guys. Now, just want to go over one quick news right here, which I thought was kind of cool. It's about RFK Jr. It reads like this: he says, "I put most of my wealth into Bitcoin, so I am fully committed." This was a quote by RFK. So it looks like RFK Jr. has been a long-time Bitcoin advocate, praising its power to transmute currency inflation as a U.S. government debt tops 36 trillion. Robert F. Kennedy Jr. captured headlines once again due to earlier remarks. Um, he says, claiming to put most of his wealth into Bitcoin. The former independent candidate also described Bitcoin as the currency of freedom in a November 16 online post and reiterated that digital assets power to hedge against currency inflation. In the recently resurfaced video, RFK Jr. stated, "I am a huge supporter of Bitcoin. I was here a year ago at the Bitcoin conference. I went home and put most of my wealth into Bitcoin, so I am fully committed, guys." So Kenny has been an outspoken proponent of Bitcoin for years, arguing that the decentralized supply, cap, neutral currency, and other hard assets such as gold and silver could stabilize the US dollar from currency devaluation. So Robert Kennedy Jr., he made a post and he says, "Bitcoin is the currency of freedom, a hedge against inflation for middle class Americans, a remedy against the dollar's downgrade from the world's reserve currency, and the off ramp from a ruinous national debt. Bitcoin will have no stronger advocate than Howard Lutnick." So yeah, guys, just wanted to share this with you guys, just to show you guys that like a lot of rich millionaires like RFK are putting all their wealth, or most of their wealth into Bitcoin, and I'm sure he didn't mention it, but I'm sure he puts them into altcoins too. And I'm sure Donald Trump and all the rich congressmen and senators that are pro crypto, they're putting millions of dollars into crypto. Michael Saylor, the Bitcoin champion, he's putting billions of dollars into Bitcoin. We got Elon Musk. He's probably got millions into Doge and Bitcoin. So all these rich people are putting a lot of money into Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies this cycle, guys. So we might just have that super cycle everybody's been talking about. I don't really know if we're gonna have it or not. I'm just gonna stay focused on the charts. Every day I'm gonna look at the charts and see what it looks like, guys. I take it day by day, guys. Right now, like I've been saying, I do see Bitcoin rallying all the way till November 29. It's gonna have a correction there. It's gonna rally at least to 100K to 120K by November 29, and then it's gonna have a correction, like a 20-30% correction, consolidate, and then it's gonna keep rallying all the way up until it's gonna have corrections along the way, but it's gonna make a super high, a super new all-time high somewhere between mid-March to mid-April, and that's when I'm gonna look at the Bitcoin chart and see what's going around, what's going around in the world, because from mid-March to April-March, I do see a new all-time high coming in for Bitcoin, but it's either gonna it's gonna have a strong correction, like a 50% correction, once it makes that current new all-time high top in mid-March 2025 to mid-April 2025, and it's gonna correct hard, and then I gotta keep an eye on it to see if it's gonna bounce and consolidate and make a new all-time high in September 2025, or if it's gonna wanna kind of go into a bear market after it makes a all-time high in mid-March to April 2025. I think the latter is gonna happen. I think Bitcoin's gonna make a strong correction, like a 50% correction, sometime in mid-March to April 15, somewhere from mid-March to mid-April. It's gonna make a strong correction. Bitcoin is in 2025, and then I most likely think it'll consolidate, and then it'll bounce back one more time to make a new all-time high sometime in September 2025. But I'm gonna keep my eye on Bitcoin. Stay tuned to the channel. I've been studying the charts for the last 3 years, almost going on 4 years, and I do this 5 to 6 years. 5 to 6 hours a day. So yeah, I'm pretty fluent on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies now. So if you guys want some guidance, stay tuned to the channel, and I'll put my thoughts out there, and you guys decide from there. You guys buy and sell what you guys want. All right, guys. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned to the channel. This Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.